No, still dizzy. I think he's trying to understand what the fuck is happening to me. Okay, I had booked a checkup for Nova. I want to take him to the same doctor for Luffy to check his feather problem. I think you can see his feather problem right here. You see the black, the feather with black? Can you see it? I think that's the feather he always chew on. I'm not sure what happened, but I'll take him to check it out. 同时给他验个血。我计划是每年做一次至少验血，看看他整个身体状态情况怎么样。走了。Let's go. Let's go to Alabang. New Alabang vet. Eh? New Alabang vet. What? I forgot. I forgot the name of the vet. But yeah, that's the one. I think in April this year, I took Luffy there to check up with the Dr. Leo, and he's the one who helped Luffy to recover. He's not only doing the blood test, but also talked to me for like 30 minutes to ask Luffy's habit and everything about his life, any change in his life. So I think that's a good doctor. And also he told me that he has the experience of curing other parrots. 1.32. Thank you. Let's his normal weight. Don't let him to bite anything. Anything shiny. He's gonna bite anything shiny. There's one time that he removed our friend's earrings. Just real quick. One bite, remove.
Oh no. We'll also borrow this.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Noah is back. I don't know. They use anesthesia for Noah, but because they already sent me the image of Noah's X-ray, so I guess they have to use that. Like this. Actually, this is the first time for Noah to have X-ray. Yeah, I can see his right wing looks okay. So, and how Noah already recovered from anesthesia. I think he's still dizzy because when I call him, he doesn't respond to me. Normally, when he's okay, he's gonna respond to me. Noah. But let's give him some water to drink.
I'm afraid of maybe not sure.
Maybe later. It's okay. He's still dizzy from the drug. I can see that. Yeah. You can see here the black feather. Comparing to other healthy feather, it's totally different. That's the reason I want to take him for checkup because before it's not like this. Because feather problem might be a result for some other problem inside, like the organs or something. So I think I have to take him for checkup, especially some blood test to see if it's okay. And also for Dr. Liu help Luffy to recover in April. So I trust him. Still dizzy. It's the first time for Noah to have. I always forgot that word. So just drugs. Let's say just drugs. To use drugs. It's the first time, because I've taken Kira, our servo, to vet for a few times. She already had like 3 or 4 times of drugs, but Nova is the first time. No, still dizzy. I think he's trying to understand what the fuck is happening to me. Why I'm seeing so many people, so many dad and mom. What? And I noticed for Kira, this once I took Kira to the vet in Makati for checkup, and they used drugs. And after she got drugged, I just stayed with her until she fully recovered. And after that time, I can see obviously Kira became more tamed than before. So I think that's a process to let the wild animal to know you are no threat. You are there for them when they're fragile or need help. Yes. So anyone see this video, I think you should try to take your pets, wild animal, I mean, to the vet. But not specifically for the drugs. It's for some body checkups yearly. Maybe it's just blood test, and then you should stay with them while they recover. That's totally different.
Ano naman, 3 times the birthday.
I think they're waiting for the test result. Test result for the blood test result.
3:30, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, let's just wait. It's okay.
I wanted to first check if there was something like a fracture.
Oh, okay,
Because
okay.
of course, if there's a fracture, if there's something painful, usually birds would try to nip on the area.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because it's very unusual for parrots to only like nibble on one area rather than
Yeah.
two. If
Yeah.
it were a disease, like for example,
They should be everywhere, right?
it should be everywhere, exactly.
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
So, for example, feather problems, infection, and parasite, etc.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to first rule out if there was any fracture.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
good news is there's none.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
during sedation earlier, I was doing flexion and extension exercise. So actually the bones and also the wing can expand more than 180 degrees. So that's normal. If we see rigidity, that could mean a fracture or could probably also be arthritis. But of course, he's still young. That's
Okay.
why I wanted to ask the age.
Yeah.
So at 2 years, of course, he's still not sexually mature. Actually, still a young parrot.
Yeah, yes,
So
yes.
we can rule out arthritis as well.
Okay.
So I did a full body X-ray,
Mm.
and then I also concentrated on the right wing.
Yeah.
So far right now, from the humerus, from shoulders
Yeah.
until the radius ulna, and then the phalanges, everything seems normal.
Okay.
And then the feathers are actually still stuck on the follicles.
Oh, yeah.
So there's no actual problem. But what I did notice with him is he's molting.
He's molting, yeah.
Yes, okay. So actually in parrots, when they're molting, there's a lot of feather sheets.
Yeah.
Right? And the feather sheets, they actually try to remove.
Okay.
So I think that's what's happening to him. He's trying to remove the feather sheets, and it's itchy for him.
So
Alright.
you're saying he's doing overtraining, right?
Yes, sir. Overpreening because of the feather follicles. He's trying to remove them. And it's actually, we actually saw evidence that
Yes.
it's a molting problem. Because
Okay.
amongst his blood tests, everything seems normal,
Okay.
except for the uric acid. So uric acid is a general blood chemistry to check for kidney function, hydration function, and also protein levels.
Okay.
So his protein levels is actually low.
Oh, protein level low.
Yes, during molting season, they want to produce more feathers.
Yeah.
And that uses up more nutrition in their body
Okay,
and also
okay.
protein.
Okay.
So I think it's more of a nutritional problem.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So
rather than
what do you suggest we do?
okay, so for this one,
Yeah.
I just want to know like what food items are you guys giving up?
Early in the morning, it's a mix of different kind of vegetables,
Okay.
brown rice, different kind of rice,
All right.
and then eggs. I mix them all together. It's actually the same with Luffy. I mix them all together, small chops, and then I freeze in the fridge, and then I get it out every morning for breakfast. But
All right,
actually, I don't think he's eating that. I don't think so. But I've been doing that for like at least 1 year.
All right.
I want him to know there's food. That's the more breakfast, and then for lunch it's different kind of nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
all kind of nuts.
All right.
And for dinner now for him still use a little bit formula.
Okay. Yeah.
Formula, and then we smash the different kind of nuts mixed with the formula, and then also half quail egg yolk, half.
Okay.
And for now we just started to give him a little bit different mixed vegetable juice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. That's all. Everything.
How about pellets? Are you guys giving any
No.
pellets? All right.
No, I'm not.
You prefer not to give pellets.
Yes, because I think the pellets actually they're just made of vegetables, different kind of rice or something, grains. Yeah, I'm already doing it myself, so I don't give pellets to my birds.
Okay, I don't mind with that actually, because even in the wild they don't eat so much, but some birds still like pellets. Okay, so maybe for his case, since we're already seeing a drop in protein, we can increase the egg whites.
Egg whites.
Yes.
Okay.
So rather than a whole egg, more egg whites.
This boy, regular.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
And then you also have the option to add the eggshells if you want.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So for eggs, you're saying chicken egg or quail egg?
Yes, sir. Any is fine.
Any
Any
As,
is fine.
as long as there's no yolk.
egg.
Oh, okay,
Because
okay.
increasing the yolk would also increase body fats.
Okay,
All right, sir.
okay.
And
So-
then I
so-
also have to have you guys buy this one. It's called primrose oil.
I know that. I know that.
We tried
Last
it
time we
before.
tried,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yeah. So we can try it also with him.
Okay, okay.
We can squeeze half of the capsule and add it to the water to reduce his anxiety. Because whenever he feels itchy, it also increases his stress. And stress hormones even
Yeah.
makes them more
Itchy.
yeah, itchy. Okay. So we can try that for probably 30 days.
Okay,
1 month.
like last time.
Yes, sir. Then let me know if there's any changes.
I will.
All
I will
right.
do.
And then the blood test, the other blood test,
You
we'll
will send
have.
me later.
Yes, sir. We'll send
Like
it
last
later.
time.
Yeah, because it has to be sent to the laboratory.
Okay, thank you so
I did the
much.
feather mite check also. Looks like it's negative, but I still gave one shot just to be sure.
Okay.
If that's okay.
Okay, yeah, of course, of course.
All right, sir.
So what shot?
The anti-parasitic shot.
Okay.
Yeah. So far so good, guys.
So everything is okay. So what do you think of the decoloration of the feather, the black part?
It's also part of the blocking, sir. Yeah.
You mean he trained the feather, then the feather changed to black?
Yes, sir. The
Wow.
constant blocking and also the stress levels changes their coloration also.
So
Yeah.
stressful.
My question is that I know I've checked online. They were
Mm.
saying that turning black might be caused by stress.
Yes.
But my question is that why only this few feathers, not all the feathers?
Yes, sir. That I'm not sure of. Maybe it's also the follicles. There's just more here, and then he just couldn't stop his
Okay.
anxiety in this area.
Okay.
Yes, because usually for hormonal problems, if it still doesn't change, we can try a chip hormone, but that's usually used for the females for
Okay.
for stress. Let's try a more conservative approach first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will do. Will do.
Yes, sir. So yeah, just add more egg whites. Also the I guess the nuts, the peas.
Yeah.
Yes, and then we'll see
How
in 30
about the
days.
nuts? Which kind of nuts you prefer with
Actually, the high quality ones: walnuts, macadamia nuts, pistachio is also nice. Yeah.
How about pili nuts? We like pili nuts the most.
Pili nuts, yes, go ahead. Yeah. But peanuts, we stay away from peanuts. Like the peanuts, the small ones. Yeah.
Oh, last time
Oh,
I already stopped.
Yes.
Yeah, last time we talked,
Peanuts.
I used to give them peanuts, but
Yes, sir.
you told me about the problem of the
right now it's
The alpha toxins.
yes,
Yes.
stop, totally stop.
right now it's peanuts, walnuts, and
Macadamia,
Yes, macadamia.
Yeah.
macadamia,
Yeah, the very big ones. Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
And also the almond.
Yes,
no,
almonds are
not too much.
yeah, but not so
Almond-
much. Yeah.
Yeah, almond is for the milk only,
Yes. Okay.
and the yogurt.
很少。腰果是点说味吧，
chew，
没不重要，没关系。
那个都在 mix nuts。
We can do a repeat blood test in 30 days.
Okay,
After
okay.
1 month, just
Okay.
to be sure that the uric acid levels are going high.
Okay.
Once we do the diet. change.
Okay, I just want to make sure again.
Yes.
The discoloration of the feather doesn't come from any other medical problem.
I don't think so, sir. I mean, because
Okay.
it's only on the right side,
Okay,
but
okay.
we're still trying to rule out other problems. So let's try the conservative approach
Yes,
first.
yes.
Because right now, I don't see any fractures, any signs of disease. The feather quality is not excellent, but again, that's because of constant preening. I did the comparison from the right to the left.
Okay.
Yeah, so
And also, do you think the discoloration will change back or no?
hopefully once he stops biting on the area, then it will go back. Yeah.
You mean now the feather can come back to the normal color, or just needs to change feather entirely?
He has to change his whole feathers
Okay.
for us to see the brilliant blue color
Okay,
again.
okay.
So once he stops and then the feather starts growing back again, because eventually these will all fall out again.
Yeah, of course.
For feather molting.
Mm.
So hopefully after that, it might take a while though. All right, 4 to 6 months, because parrots usually molt like 2 to 3 times a year only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Time to eat. Okay. No? No. Slowly. Oh, inside.
So
We try our
nice.
best.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a little bit cheaper than I thought. Last time I was here, I took Luffy for checkup. Cost me like, I remember right, maybe 5,008 something. It's like 6,000. But this one for Noah, it's 8,100. But if you say Noah is 3 times or 4 times bigger than Luffy, so yeah, I think it's cheap. Bye.